In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post multiple photos in Facebook Story at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app and then hit at that plus sign where it says create story. Now we are able to create a story and upload some photos from your camera roll. In order to select multiple photos, you should tap where it says select multiple, and then you can just check mark those photos which you want to post to your story, just like that. And once you've selected all the photos that you want to post, you should tap where it says separate stories. On the next step, you will be able to set a privacy for that story. You can set it to friends, to custom, or to public if your Facebook profile is public. Actually, my profile is locked, so I can select public. And then once you've done with that, hit add save, then save again, and then share to story. After the photos has been posted, you can check your story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.